Okay, right now we are going into our secret spot on the pig path at Nana and Papa's house. Here with Gabby, Garrett, and me. Here's where we are right now. We're almost there. I'm just gonna vlog us right now, so that way they can't see the exact trail. Okay, I think we're starting. Yeah. Okay, so we're almost here. We're gonna vlog us right now because we don't want people to find this video.
We're here.
Yep.
This is the first area. What do we call it? EG?
Yep, GE. Okay, we're walking in right now. Look at this.
Show evidence.
Ow.
Show evidence. Show history.
We do believe that there is some sort of creature living here. It's a lot more believable in real life. This is on the pig path.
Show the big tree that fell down.
Yeah. This tree was ripped out.
If you think this is a coincidence, I don't know, because there's literally like areas where people can sit and like sleep for a day.
Yeah.
Like, this area is all cleared out.
Yeah. Plus, the other day when we came here, there was a dead bird torn to pieces right here. Right, Gabby?
And that tree was up. It wasn't down. That's why we thought this place was different.
Yeah.
That tree was up.
Mhm. The only reason we recognized this spot was because of this tree right here and that brown tree. That brown skinny one.
Not this one.
It's not brown.
You want to go down that area?
Okay, now we are going to go down this
Oh,
area.
I see another area.
Oh yeah, we're going to go down this area. Look at this.
An animal cannot do that to a tree.
No. You okay? We're gonna have to crawl through that. I don't want to crawl through.
Show that.
Those are claw marks.
We should post this onto YouTube.
What was it? Did you hear that?
Yeah, it was not us. I heard it. I think it's time to go.
Yep. I don't think we're welcome.
It legit sounded like siren head.
Yeah. Okay, now we're leaving.
That sounded like siren head.
Let's get out.
We actually heard that one. That legit sounded like siren head.
Oh wait, we didn't put up his gate. Okay, let's go.
That sounded like a siren going. Oh, shut up.
Okay.
It's giving siren head. We must call long horse.
Okay, we need to call him.
No, we don't need to.
Another frog!
Get it.
Ow. Where did he go?
Come on, let's go.
I want my froggy.
Go before.
You saw it, didn't you, Garrett?
Yep, I seen it down there. We'll have to see if we caught that noise on the video.
Okay.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Okay, so
We
that
just
was
Yeah, there was literally like an ambulance sound. There's like one ambulance sound though,
yeah.
and it sounded really close to
And
us.
earlier when we went back there, earlier today,
We heard
without
crack-
Garrett, we heard crackling noises like like long horse.
or a short horse.
Yeah, or short horse. So
Because we didn't smell cinnamon.
yeah. So say bye to the camera.
Bye. Stay fresh. Stay fresh.
Bye.